And the Debrick channel is back, and today we are talking about Lake Mead, Lake Powell, Lake Oroville, and Lake Shasta. And we are going to be looking at the weather forecast. We're going to be looking where the lakes currently are and where they haven't been. And on a quick note here, I want to thank everybody who reached out and told me condolences. It's been real tough. I haven't had a chance to really comment or anything. I have read a few of them and it's greatly appreciated. I will get back to you soon on those. Much appreciated, much love. We are going to start off a little different today. We are going to windy.com like we always do, but instead of the European, we are going to start off with the GFS because they're forecasting a lot of snow for the Rockies and for California. So this is the snow accumulation, and we go the 24-hour, not a whole lot. We go to the 3-day, not a whole lot. 5-day, not a whole lot, but the 10-day, they're expecting some snow, especially over here at Lake Oroville, 7.8. Down here in the Sierras, 10.5. And then up by Mount Shasta, they're expecting 5.8. Now this is a different model, and the two models are not in agreement, so we'll just keep that in mind. But check this out. This is really good news if this comes to pass. Over here by north of Farmington, south of Grand Junction, you got 17.2. Down here, 14.7. Over here on the Colorado itself, 8.7. So that is very good news, and let's hope this model is correct. We go to the rain accumulation for the next 10 days, and you're talking a modest inch of rain. Over here 1.57, down here 1.4. So you get the gist. About an inch of precipitation, which will take. Anything's better than nothing, right? So 0.5 inches over here. They are in agreements there as far as the rain precipitation goes. This is the GFS model, and we go over to the European model, and you can see it's similar but not quite the same. Now they are disagreeing over here. They're saying that are not as much liquid precipitation here, 5.3, and over in Vale we go to the new snow depth, and you can see it's quite different. Although they're both in agreements that they're going to get some snow, they're in a disagreement of how much snow. So good news, bad news, we'll see what happens. Check this out. They are forecasting, now I don't know if this will come to pass, on the big island of Hawaii, right here on the peak, 8.7 inches of snow they are forecasting. Now that is a crazy and insane amount of snow in Hawaii. Who would have thought? Like Honolulu's up here, and you got the big island here, and Hilo over here, and Kilauea down here, and you got 7.8 inches of snow. That's just insane. Who knows if that will come? Captain Cook down here, they're even forecasting it almost all the way here. Now the GFS has none of that nonsense going on, so who will rule out on that? That is to be determined. That would be crazy if they got 8 inches of snow. We will keep you up to date on that because I don't see that happening. But hey, you never know. It has snowed in the mountains in Hawaii before. This is nothing new. This wouldn't be the first time that this has ever happened. But 8.3, that's a crazy, insane amount of snow in the mountains. So we'll see what happens there. I'm very excited about this forecast here for the Colorado Grand Junction area. Grand Junction itself is going to get 6.8. This is fantastic news because it's still early in the season, the snow season, and the more snow we can get, the better, right? The more it grows, the better it is. So let's hope this is a repeat of 82, but not quite as bad as 82 where they had to put plywood on top of Lake Powell to keep it from overflowing. But hey, we'll take any precipitation we can get. It's fantastic news. Unfortunately, the GFS and the European are just not quite in agreement yet, and it's a long way out. So 5 days out, you got nothing. 10 days out, you got this system. So we'll see what happens. It's very, very, very long way out. Let's roll over to Lake Oroville, and we'll see where the water levels are. As we roll over to Lake Oroville water level, the water level is currently 671.94 feet MSL Sunday, November 28, 2021 at 12 p.m. The level is 228.06 feet below full pool of 900, and the change since yesterday is 0.16 feet, and the thing is on the rise. The lake has really increased since October 21st. That big spike between October 21st and the 27th for 7 days there, it went up quite a bit, and then now it continues to slowly trend up. We will see where it tops off. It hasn't every day. It has not gone down any, so that is a good thing. So it's a steady increase. We'll take increases every day over no increase at all. We need some more precipitation. We need it soon. We're going to get some more. That's fantastic news. Let's roll up to Lake Shasta and see where those levels currently are. As we roll over to Lake Shasta's water level, the water level is currently 895.64 feet MSL. Sunday, November 28, 2021 at 11 a.m. The level is currently 171.36 feet below full pool of 1,067. And this lake also has been on the increase. About November 5th, it really started to rise quite a bit. It has kind of topped off, but it's still 0.10 feet increase, so that is a very good situation. We will continue to watch this. Hopefully we get some more rain. Hopefully it continues to go up. We will see. So let's roll over to Lake Powell and see where those water levels currently are. We are at Lake Powell water level. The water level is currently 3,542.21 feet MSL. Friday, November 26, 2021, 12 a.m. The level is 157.79 feet below full pool of 3,700, and unfortunately the lake has dropped 0.11 feet in the last 24 hours since it been changed. Now this reading was taken Friday. Who knows what it's done over the weekend. I assume the trend will continue down as it shows right here on the map. As you can see, it continues to fall. We do have some precipitation coming down the pike, but unfortunately we'll probably have to wait till spring for it to even begin to increase at all. Let's go down river and see what is going on down at Lake Mead. As we roll down to Lake Mead water level, the water level is 1,065.26 feet MSL. Sunday, November 28, 2021 at 1 p.m. The level is 163.74 feet below full pool of 1,229 feet. The level hasn't fallen any, it hasn't increased any, and it is now currently at the lowest level that it has ever been since the lake has filled. And this thing continues to fall further and further at 1,065.26 feet, and this is not a good situation as the drought continues. We go down to the U.S. drought monitoring station from the Colorado over. Not good situation. There's no whites whatsoever. Now it's moderate, severe, extreme, and exceptional, and you can see that most of the Colorado's in the red in an extreme drought. There are some spots that are in a severe drought, and there's some in a moderate drought in the Colorado. So this is not a very good situation. Utah's still in a bad way. California's gotten a little better. It's not near as bad as it was, because you remember this was all like a maroon up here. This is now just a red. Washington has really dropped since it started getting those atmospheric rivers over and over and over. They don't need no more rain. And it's starting to get dry a little bit out here in the Midwest too. Up in Iowa and northern Illinois and around St. Louis and parts to the south. Now it is kind of wet here, and over in here is wet as well. Now somebody else wanted me to do the lake down below Lake Mead, so we will do that, and we'll check Lake Havasu as well. As we roll over to Lake Mohave water level, the water level is currently 636.55 feet MSL. Sunday, November 28, 2021 at 1:45 p.m. and the level is 10.45 feet below full pool of 647, so it is down 10 feet. You can see that it dropped significantly in October. The lake has increased back up, and on November 27th it was on the uptick, but today it is down 0.13 feet. Now there you have that. Let's roll down to Lake Havasu and see what's going on at Lake Havasu. Lake Havasu's water level is currently 447.98 feet MSL. Sunday, November 28, 2021 at 12:30 p.m. The level is 2.98 feet above full pool of 445 feet, and it's down 0.2. You can see that it's all over the place. It jumps up and down, but generally they keep that thing pretty close to the top, and it's just a holding station for the most part, and as it rolls out to California. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That's all I have for today. Thank you guys for being patient. I will be back more regularly now, except for next weekend. I will be gone. I got some other business that I got to take care of, and I will probably put out a video on Tuesday and then be back the following Monday. So you guys have a blessed day, and we will see you soon. God bless.